Okay, this is not a drill. I'm going to do the ultimate t-shirt heat press challenge. I've got my designs, I've got my 16-in-1 heat press machine, and I've got 5 minutes on the clock. The question is, how many t-shirts can I press in 5 minutes? Let's find out. Here we go! First shirt. So my idea for this was to do everything right. So I wanted to do all 3 presses that you usually do for a t-shirt. The first press is to take out all the creases. And then put your design on. Press your design. Ooh, it's nerve-wracking. And then quickly, the last one. This last press is just to bring out all the vibrance of all the colors that you have in your design. And there we go. First t-shirt done. Yay! Just air it out a little bit and then on to the next. Oh my goodness, I was shaking here. And the 1 second peel. Oh, that's nerve-wracking. You need to do it very, very fast. And then actually you can think that it won't stick, but it's sticking. And then now the last press again. Oh, my hands were shaking. And the third one. Oh, we need to go. And press. I tried to get my station right, to have the designs on my left hand side and then the t-shirts and then the final product on my right. And 1 second peel. Whew, look at that steam. Beautiful. And then the last press for this t-shirt. I need to hurry up. Checking the time. Woo. Instantly I got faster. Let's go. And the design. You see, the more t-shirts you press, the faster you get. And this 16-in-1 luxury item is actually incredible. With the there, I just actually wanted to stop and see if the design comes off, but it didn't come off. It was pressed perfectly. Woohoo! And 10 seconds feels like an eternity. 20 seconds left. The final count is 5 t-shirts pressed. Not bad at all. That's 1 t-shirt per minute. This 16-in-1 heat press machine is an absolute beast. And the 1-second peel definitely helps speed things up. If you're looking to press even more shirts in less time, you might consider skipping the first 10-second pre-press that removes the creases from your t-shirt. And that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.